The Domino really needs a serious competitor. Now, to distill it down, I would say that a serious competitor needs to produce joints that are similarly strong, be nearly as fast to use, have similar high quality, and be a lot less expensive. I just don't think that exists right now. You can tell me in the comments why you think some existing solution meets all of those criteria, but I do think this triple dowel joiner that I'm prototyping has the potential to be that missing Domino competitor. So with this build, I'm trying to learn two things. First, I want to know how quickly 3 simultaneous holes can be drilled with this tool using a decent 18-volt battery hand drill. Making this work with a drill is a big part of the cost strategy. If you're bringing your own motor to the party, I can spend a whole lot more on a really nice gearbox and fence system, fit and finish, tight tolerance machining, and so on, and still come in well below the price of a Domino. I'm thinking about $350, but that could change a bit. And secondly, I want to get a sense of how hungry people are for this concept, so the more likes, comments, shares, and so on this video gets, the higher I'll prioritize this. With these goals in mind, the prototype needs to give me a decent feel for the drilling process, but I don't need it to last a long time. If the skate bearings wear out because they aren't really meant for axial thrust, that's okay. I'll already have learned what I need to by then, and the full commercial design can include appropriate bearings. Similar thought process on the fence. Obviously, something as flimsy as a 3D printed fence wouldn't cut it commercially, but it's good enough for me to put the tool through its paces and maybe even use it for a future furniture project if I'm careful and aware of the problems that fence could give me. I thought about 3D printed gears, but that was going too far. It needs to hold up at least long enough for me to learn how to use it a bit. So I had the same machine shop that makes the pencil tools fabricate me some gears out of raw gear stock. You'll probably have seen or reasoned out by now that the outside bits cut in reverse and they need to be left-hand bits. Now this isn't a problem, and it's certainly not worth complicating the gear assembly to make them all rotate the same way. For the commercial design, the bits need to be customized anyway because I want them to be removable and interchangeable for different sizes, and that's really going to mean they're only going to be available from me anyway, so it's not going to be like you can buy any bit on the market. That's just not possible. I can't design around that. So making them left-handed as well doesn't change the costs and really doesn't complicate things at all. So I'm just going with the simple gears. Now, after it was finished, I tried the tool on lignum, which is the 4th hardest wood in the world, with a battery that was nearly dead, and it still took only 10 seconds to make all 3 holes. Now, I'd say that's adequate speed to be called a serious Domino competitor. And if someone has a lot of joints to make, you can always break out the corded drill and speed things up. So there you have it. Please let me know what you think and how aggressively you think I should try to make this project happen. Thanks for watching.